Hello, my YouTube family. I did say I was gonna cook black eye bean and um, sauce. So this is the black eye bean I have boiled. So what I'm doing now, I am actually making the gravy for the black eye bean, which is onion for now, and I'm going to, when the onion has started to make like translucent, then I'll put pepper and Maggi cube. Okay, so this is the Maggi cube that I'm using. It's the star Maggi cube. So I've not put salt. I mash it a bit and I put it there. So this is Scotch bonnet, which I've already I season it with a little bit of salt. It's a hot pepper. So to preserve it, I put a little bit of oil. So this is it. This is it here, which I do use, and I keep it just a little because I'm only making a tiny bit of black eye bean. So what I'm doing now, I'm stirring it. So when everything is done, I'm just giving a little bit, 1 minute to sizzle, and then I'll just add it to by the way, it's red oil I'm using, palm oil. Okay, I have added the palm oil now to the boiled black-eyed bean. So I'm just going to stir it and let it just cook for maybe a couple of minutes, and I'll get back to you to show you what I do next. So now I'm just going to stir it a bit. So as I've added the vegetable into it now, just a little bit more, and then I'll show you what I've prepared to eat with it. So my YouTube family, this is the black eye bean, and this is sliced fried onion, and this is the, what we call them now, sweet potato, baking potato, plantain. So that's what I'm going to use to eat today. It's very healthy. Try it sometimes. Okay, hold on, let me tell you what I'm doing right now. I've finished now, so I want to eat. This is my plate. So you are welcome. This is very hot. This is the onions, the plantain, potato, sweet potato, black eye bean. Thank you. Happy eating. Try to prepare your own, and I'll see you on the I'll see you next time. So like, share, and subscribe if you just new to the channel. But you're all welcome to this dinner. This is my dinner for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you.